you should hold your crypto off of the network. You shouldn't hold it on any exchange unless you're planning on selling it shortly. My first reason for holding my crypto off network on hard wallets is because why take on additional risk? Investing in crypto is already a high stakes game. You're taking on some of the highest investment risk of any sector that's out there. Why pile on more risk? My approach to crypto is the same as my approach to my physical gold and silver. I'm already using it for a very specific purpose. I want it to protect against risk. Why would I take on additional risk by letting somebody lend out my physical gold and silver? I wouldn't. And therefore, I don't do the same thing with my crypto. I'm holding crypto against inflation and the possibility of fiat currency going completely haywire. Why would I take on additional risk with my insurance hedge? Of course, there's always the security and safety of holding your crypto off the network. As they like to say, not your keys, not your crypto. In other words, if you're not in possession of the actual cryptocurrency, then you are at risk. Finally, the big reason that you want to hold your crypto yourself is because whenever somebody makes a new cryptocurrency based on Bitcoin or Ether, they use the fork, which means anyone who was holding Bitcoin or Ether at the time of the new crypto's inception gets part of that new crypto. If you're holding your crypto on any of the major exchanges and there is a fork, the exchange is the one that gets those new coins, not you. So there you are, having the ability to get access to new crypto you didn't pay for, and it's going to your exchange, not to you. There are many different ways that you can hold your crypto off the network, but the way I choose to do it is by having a variety of hardware wallets, also referred to as cold wallets. There are several different brands, but the two that I use are Trezor and Ledger. The way they work isn't that they're holding your crypto off of the network. There actually isn't any way to keep your crypto off the network. At all times, it is in the ledger. The question is, how much risk are you exposed to by keeping it on an exchange where it can be hacked? By having it off on a cold wallet, you will be able to prevent yourself from being hacked. And sure, you can still have your crypto stolen through your own means or through mistakes on your own side. It's now in your hands. There's no counterparty risk. When it comes to buying a Trezor or a Ledger, I don't do it through any of the online retailers, even though many offer the ability to buy it at a cheaper rate than going straight to the source. The way I look at it is, why would I try to save money on a wallet that's keeping a lot of my money off of the network? This is where you want to pay up. So when I do buy, I buy directly from Trezor or Ledger, and I've left the links to their direct websites in my show notes. It's important to remember that both of them do offer sales, so it might be worthwhile to hang on and wait until you can get a sale. However, if you don't have access to any of the hard wallets right now might be a good time to pick one up. I actually own several of the different Trezor and Ledger models, and none of them are duplicates of each other. I split my crypto among multiple different wallets. You might call this paranoid, but by doing this, I'm even more protected because I can take those wallets and hide them in different locations. So if something happens, like my house burns down or somebody steals one of my wallets, they haven't stolen all the crypto that I have.